Come on, baby boy. Come on, plants. Yeah, you run like a champion. Get the gate. You don't even have to unlock it. The chains aren't even on. Just push it open. Somebody didn't lock the gate last night. Oh, not that far. Come on. Close it. Metro's out. All the dogs are out. Metro Man! Metro Man! That's Metro. Picture of Metro. Hey, don't you walk out in that street without me. What are you doing? Come on. Any cars coming? Look left. Look right. See any? Hold Popo's hand. Check our mail. You can run. You can run. He always runs. It's the generation that runs. Watch for spiders. Don't step up in a spider web. Oh.
No mail.
Yeah, there's mail. You gotta reach way in the back and get it. Here it is. Good job. Good job. Let's see who it's from. Check and a check.
Check. Right.
Hold on. Let's get Metro to come to the gate. Metro, come here, Metro. Metro, come. Where's he at, Metro? Where's he at, Metro? Metro, oh, sluggish. Come here, Metro. Come here, baby. Good boy. Come. Metro, come. He ain't in the mood to play today. All right, open the gate. This one, this side. Is it hard? All right, that's big enough, just big enough to go through. I got it, don't worry. Checking the mail. Are those your plants? Oh, look what happened to your watermelon.
It's broke.
Oh, he's broken. He had to go up to watermelon heaven. But your other plant is still good. Look, he's as big as you are. What kind of plant is that?
That's mine.
That's yours. That's a tomato plant.
Yeah.
You want to water them?
Yeah.
Get the water hose. Papa will turn it on for you. You squirt me. All right, here. Let's put it on. Mist. Here, come here. Come here. There you go. Here, don't spray me, okay, please?
Okay.
You spray your plants. Wet them real good on the bottom. At the bottom, there you go. Yay! Your poor watermelon. You probably don't have to water him anymore. All right, get these up here. Get these up here. Popo put a... Huh? Fixing to go to town? What are you doing? Huh? I hear you.
Don't spray me. Mommy's a skeleton.
Here, let's pray. Let's turn it off. That's enough water on the plant.
Come here.
See, Mommy? I had a beetle in this thing yesterday. Ooh, big old spider. Daddy, daddy, long leg. Guess my beetle escaped. Ooh, tell Mommy don't get no skull on you. Skull and crossbones.